Namaskar students, welcome to D&S Education. My name is Saurabh Singh. In this video, I am going to discuss about subtraction of integers. But wait, before watching this video, let me tell you, if you have not watched our previous video, that is Introduction to Integers and Addition of Integers, then watch that videos first, then again watch this video. So let's start today's session. To know about subtraction of integer, first we have to know about the additive inverse of an integer. So what is additive inverse of an integer? Okay. Additive inverse of a number means we are talking about integer, is its mirror image of the number line. On the number line, the additive inverse of minus 5 is 5 and the additive inverse of 5 is minus 5. Okay, what does this mean? Means एडिटिव इनवर्स किसी भी नंबर का उसका मिरर इमेज है नंबर लाइन पे। मतलब अगर -5 का एडिटिव इनवर्स निकालना है तो क्या होगा, +5, और जस्ट अपोजिट +5 का एडिटिव इनवर्स निकालना है तो क्या होगा, -5। तो सिंपली ये मिरर इमेज है। जैसे यहाँ अगर आप 5 देख रहे हैं आप, ठीक है, अब 5 को अगर मिरर में देखेंगे तो हमें -5 ही तो दिखाई देगा। सेम अगर हमें -4 का एडिटिव इनवर्स निकालना है तो इसका मिरर इमेज क्या होगा, 4। और सिंपल सा रूल आपको ये याद रखना है कि अगर नेगेटिव इंटीजर है तो उसको पॉजिटिव में कन्वर्ट कर दीजिए, पॉजिटिव है तो नेगेटिव में कन्वर्ट कर दीजिए। ओके, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज, if number is positive its additive inverse is negative, that's what I had said earlier, and if the number is negative its additive inverse is positive. Okay, now additive inverse can also be defined as what you add to a number get 0. Means when you are adding a integer and its additive inverse we are getting 0 as our result. मतलब ये बोल रहा है ये लाइन कि अगर आप किसी नंबर को और उस नंबर के एडिटिव इनवर्स को, जैसे 5 का एडिटिव इनवर्स क्या होगा, -5, इन दोनों को जब आप ऐड करेंगे तो हमें हमेशा क्या मिलेगा, 0। हर बार हमें 0 मिलेगा। Okay, we are going to use this additive inverse concept in finding the subtraction of integers. Okay, what does integer subtraction rule says? To subtract one integer from another, take the additive inverse of the integer to be subtracted. Means जिस integer को हमें subtract करना है एक integer को दूसरे में से, तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, दूसरे वाले integer का एडिटिव इनवर्स लेंगे एंड ऐड इट टू द अदर इंटीजर, और दूसरे इंटीजर में उसको हम लोग ऐड कर देंगे। सो इफ m and n are two integers, now we have example that m and n are two integers, then m minus n, so we are subtracting n from m is m. Now what you have to do, you have to take the additive inverse of second number, so additive inverse of n is minus n, and you have to add this additive inverse in the previous integer. That's what we are going to use in this subtraction rule. Let me show you some example. Okay, in this example, first example we have 6 minus second integer is -4. So first integer is +6, that is positive integer, second integer is -4, that is negative integer. What you have to do, you have to take the additive inverse of second integer. Means whatever you are subtracting from one integer, आपको additive inverse लेना है second integer का। -4 का additive inverse क्या होगा, +4, और ये माइनस साइंस किस में चेंज हो जाएगा, माइनस साइन प्लस में। Means we are adding now these two integers. So we know that when we have same sign of integer, that is both integers are positive integer, so we will add them and we will put a positive sign in front of them. Okay, this is not compulsory to put the positive sign. Again we have a second example, we have a negative integer -4 -6. What you have to do, you have to take the additive inverse of this 6. So additive inverse of -6 is +6, and change this negative sign to positive. Okay, here we have changed negative sign to positive. Now we get our minus 4 plus 6. Now one integer is negative, one integer is positive. What you have to do, you have to subtract. So after subtraction we got 2, and in these two integers 6 is has greater value and 6 has plus sign. That's why we are putting a plus sign in our result. Let wait a second, let me erase all this. So okay, now we have to subtract 6 and 4. Okay, what you have to do, you have to take the additive inverse of second integer. So additive inverse of plus 4 is minus 4. Now change this negative sign to the positive sign. We have changed this negative sign to positive. Now we have one negative integer, one positive integer. What you have to do, you have to do subtraction. So subtract 4 from 6. After subtraction we got 2. Again, in this case we have to take additive inverse of minus 4, that is plus 4, and we have to change this negative sign to plus. Okay, again we have a negative integer and positive integer. We have to do subtraction, and in these two integers 6 has greater value and sign of 6 is minus, so we are putting negative sign in our results. So that's how you do addition, sorry, subtraction of integers. Let's discuss some more examples. Okay, we have a question 12 minus 8. So we have a positive integer and we have a negative integer. We do not have to do anything to our first integer. So first we have to take the additive inverse of this. Okay, we are taking additive inverse of minus 8, that is plus 8. Additive inverse of minus 8 is plus 8. And we are changing this negative sign to the positive. Now we have two positive integers. What we have to do? We have to do addition. So 12 plus 8 is 20. Let me show you one example or next. Uh, okay, what you have to do? You have to find the additive inverse of minus 11. That is plus 11, and change this negative sign to the positive. Now we have one negative integer and one positive integer. What you have to do? You have to do subtraction. So after subtraction we got 18, and out of these two integers 11 has greater value and sign of 11 is plus, so we are putting a plus sign in our result. That is not compulsory. Let's take some more examples. Okay, here we have 8 minus 12. Okay, we have to change the we have to take additive inverse of second number, that is plus 12. Minus 12, additive inverse of minus 12 is plus 12, and this negative sign is converted into positive sign, means minus sign will be changed to or replaced with plus sign. Now we have two positive integers, so after addition we got 20. Next, again we have to find the additive inverse of this minus 30. So additive inverse of minus 30 is plus 30, and this negative sign is changed to positive sign. Now 12 plus 30 is 52. Both are positive integers, so we are adding them. Next we have, again in this minus additive inverse of minus 3 is plus 3, and this negative sign is changed into positive sign. Now we have a negative integer and positive integer. What we have to do? We have to do subtraction. After subtraction we got minus 14. Next we have minus 5, sorry 5. This negative sign is sign of operation. This 5 has plus sign. Okay, that is hidden here. Okay, what you have to do? You have to take additive inverse of this minus 5. So sorry, 5. So additive inverse of 5 is minus 5, and this negative sign is changes to positive sign. Okay, now we have a negative integer and positive integer. Sorry, both are negative integers, so we have to do addition. So after addition we got 57, and both are negative integers, so we are putting a negative sign in our results. So that's how you will do subtraction of integers. So that's it from today's session. If you have any doubt regarding this session, then write it in the comment box. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then click on the subscribe button, like and share with your family and friends. Thank you.